When Ferdinand returned to the sheds, Bash and Dash wouldn't stop teasing Connor. You love the shake bread, and you love it all. No, I don't. You do. What did you just say to Connor? Bash and Dash felt very silent. As you may know, Connor has been teased, and I think you two would owe her an apology. Connor blushed at Ferdinand. Bash and Dash felt ashamed. We're sorry, Ferdinand. And we're sorry too, Connor. Will you two ever forgive us? Of course we will. When Ferdinand showed Connor all around Misty Island. Would you like to show me more, Ferdinand? I would love to show you more. Follow me.
You want to take a shower tonight?
Here's the lakeside seashore. Wow! This place looks lovely. It sure does, Connor. And here's the train station that we normally take passengers there. Wow, this looks lovely. It sure does, Connor. And lastly, Ferdinand showed Connor one last loop of Misty Island. And after another busy day, Ferdinand and Connor went back to their sheds. They were happy to be together, boyfriend and girlfriend. If Connor's Ferdinand's girlfriend, then he'll be ours. But that's a story for another day.